Good evening everyone. So, ito ang topic number 2 natin. Under PEDIA pa rin. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang third stage of childhood. So, sa topic natin last time, napag-usapan natin ang infant to adolescent. Ngayon, third stage of childhood naman. So, when it comes sa infant, oral stage yung mga infant. Mahilig sumipsip. Mahilig kumain ng daliri. Using mouth. Lagi niyong tatandaan yan, guys. Infant, oral stage, using mouth. Toddler, anal. Kung sa bunganga, ang toddler naman sa anal stage sila. Learns to control urination and defecation. Okay? Kaya na nilang mag-control ng ihi at taipo nila. Toddler yan. Kapag toddler, 1 to 3 years old yan, ha? Anal stage, learns to control urination and defecation. Preschooler, mga kinder, 3 to 5 years old po yan. Phallic stage po, sexual identity naman yan. Paano mo maaalala na phallic stage is preschooler? Ito po ang technique dyan. Kung preschooler, nag-i-start siya sa P. Phallic, nag-i-start din po siya sa letter P. So, preschooler, phallic stage tayo. Ito naman, school age, latent stage po. Personality development appears to be a non-active or dormant. School age yan. Paano mo naman maaalala? Technique na naman, bibigyan kita. School age, letter L, school, latent stage. Don't forget that, guys. Napaka-importante to. Lumalabas din ito sa NCLEX natin. Adolescent, genital stage naman yan. Sexual maturity. So, dito wala na akong technique. Pero at least kapag nag-exam kayo, pag nakita mo si letter P, preschooler, phallic na siya agad. Pag nakita mo si L, latent. So, may dalawang tamang sagot ka na. Pero, don't forget ha, infant oral, toddler, anal, or anal, preschooler, phallic, school age, latent, and adolescent genital. Please review your notes. Lumalabas ito sa NCLEX. Thank you!